Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will teach us how you can upvote boost on abstract discovery. It's a weekly task on boost season 1. So not just boost, you have to upvote AlphaBot on abstract discovery, and you also have to upvote boost on abstract discovery. This is a weekly task on featured tasks. You can see I've not done it yet, so I will be doing it now. So how do you start? You click on abstract discovery. It will take you to the abstract official website. So I'm here. This is the these are the ones on the spotlight. Now before you cast a vote, you must have a minimum of 0.0001 ETH on this wallet. I showed you how you can fund this abstract wallet. I showed you how you can fund it, in the last video, which is on available here on my channel. Just check for boost AlphaBot tutorials, boost airdrop tutorial. So I have all of them there. Okay, so now let's scroll down. So let's go. You scroll down to featured apps, then you look for AlphaBot. AlphaBot is social. This is AlphaBot. This is Boost. Now let's upvote. You see, once you upvote, it marks upvoted. Let's upvote here. It marks upvoted. Now, doing these tasks also gives you SP on abstract interaction. So I go here, I have 60 SP out of 10,000. Because I have upvoted, I can claim this role. Okay, let's head back here. You can see I've completed this featured task. I've done the upvoting. So this upvoting comes in this task comes in every week. So you keep doing it every week, you keep doing the task. Don't forget your daily spin. Don't forget to use your daily spin. It always comes here. Don't forget to use your daily spin. It always comes here. So I'll see you in the next